Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your details in your Payoneer account. First, open your web browser and go to the Payoneer website. Sign in to your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard. If you want to change your bank account details, look at the main menu and go to the section called Bank Accounts. Click on it to open the list of bank accounts connected to your Payoneer profile. Find the bank account that you want to update and select it. After selecting the account, you will see the option to edit or update the details. Before you can submit new bank information, Payoneer may ask you to verify your identity. Next, if you want to change your email address, go to Settings. Then open Profile Settings. You will see your current email address with an Edit option next to it. Click Edit, type your new email address and save the changes. To update your phone number, stay in the same Profile Settings section. Locate the phone number field and click Edit. Enter your new number carefully. Make sure you do not enter the country code twice. If you need to change your name or your company name, this usually cannot be done directly from the dashboard. In most cases, you will need to contact Payoneer support. They may ask you to provide documents to confirm the change before they update your account. Thanks for watching.